siya. Hindi siya kagaya ng relasyon na, alam mo, yung mga classmate ko, may boyfriend, may girlfriend, wala silang commitment sa isa't isa. And then kayo, yung time na inaalat nyo para sa pagtawag, minsan nga, 1 hour straight call, tapos mamaya call na naman. So sabi ko, talagang, tingin ko mahal na talaga niyo yung isa't isa. Yun, salamat. Sa ano, congratulations.
Ayan, wala pa naman si Nancy, sir.
Alam mo, uy, makain na sila. Tita, ayun, I just wanna thank you for everything na pala.
Okay, yun mo.
Okay. Thank you kasi mababait yung mga naging tita ko. Lahat sila the best. Ayun, Sir Alvin, I know, Tito, should I say, Tito, ngayon ko lang nakita ganyan kasi si Tita. Sa dami nung nangyari sa preparing natin dito sa kasal na to, ang init-init ng ulo, kasi ang dami-daming tao sa bahay. At least ngayon, tapos na, nandito na tayo. So, message ko, alagaan yung isa't isa din. Alam ko naman na nandyan si God para sa inyong dalawa, para sa atin. So, tita natin, nung isang, may time na nagagalit ka kay sir kasi maraming nag-detect, ganyan. Tapos, ako kayo sabi sa'yo na, di ba malapit na yung kasal nyo, so sabi ko, parang trials lang yun or parang pagsubok lang yun para sa inyong dalawa. Tapos, sabi ko, ayun nga, sabi nila ng iba, mga ninang at saka ninong niyo po, trust lang yung aasahan nyo sa isa't isa, lalo na pag malayo po kayo sa isa't isa. Then, congratulations and be happy. Thank you.
Okay, so naman naman si Nancy.
If you love me like you tell me, please be careful with my heart. You can take it, just don't break it, or my world will fall apart. You are my first romance, and I'm willing to take a chance that till life is through, I'll still be loving you. I will be true to you, just a promise from you will do. From the very start, please be careful with my heart.
I love you and you know I do. There'll be no one else for me. Promise I'll be always true for the world and all to see. Love has heard some lies softly spoken, and I have had my heart badly broken. I've been burned and I've been hurt before, so I know just how you feel. Trust my love is real for you.
I hope that your love is real.
I'll be gentle with your heart, I'll caress it like the morning dew. I'll be right beside you forever. I won't let our world fall apart. From the very start, I'll be careful with